Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. The girlfriend is moving in and she bought a standing desk. Let's unbox it and build it for her. Okay, the legs came in that, the top came in that one. Pretty standard packaging. I don't think there's anything special about it. We need a drill to start working here. The second page is just stuff that comes in the box. Third page, we are assembling this middle part. We need to pick a length. Pretty sure we're 55 inches because this box is 58.9 inches. Let's start building. First part pretty easy. There's this raised circular bump here, matches with that. We're going with 1.4 and nut fastener from the back. It is C and D here up top. We're gonna connect those to the legs now. Let's try it out. Pretty straightforward. There's these two holes here that go into the legs. They use the A screws right there. Once that's done, we're gonna put the legs on. It says to pre-tighten all screws at the same time and then fully tightening them again. Let's keep going. Starting to look like a desk. These two are the E fasteners. The bottom needed 4 of these B fasteners. Pretty easy. It says to go diagonally first, and then the top ones use the E fastener. I'm gonna flip that upside down and start screwing in the top. They wanted me to use 18 fasteners down here. I think that's way too much, so I have a bunch left over I can add later if needed. Only did those two and those two on each side. These were the only pilot holes that came with the desk. I think that just floats there for cable management. Last thing to do is put that there, connect some wires. But for now, video 351 done.